Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be playing with fun colors and fun pigments. I would appreciate it so much. It doesn't cost you a thing. If you haven't subscribed yet, please click that red subscribe button down below and also the red notification bell. It'll only notify you on your feed that I've uploaded a new video. Click that red button and the little bell button.
Yeah.
So let's get into it. So as you guys know, I've worked with eSalon for years. They are a completely customizable at-home color company. And now their sister company, Aura, is a hair care line that offers customizable and personalized shampoo, conditioners, and hair care. And knowing how great the eSalon at-home colors were, I knew the customizable shampoo and hair care line was going to be incredible. And that is what I've been using on my hair since about February or March this year. But in addition to their incredible shampoo and conditioners, they also have fun mask pigments, which are also customizable and personalized. As you can see here, I have my Ellebangs Pigmented mask, and we've all heard of pigmented shampoos, conditioners, and masks at this point. Basically, they add color to the hair while adding hydration. That part's incredible, but how you can customize these even further is in their intensity. So how many times have you seen a beautiful color and you're like, I like that color, but lighter, or I would love that shade, but more intense. And then you try to compensate with time to try and achieve that look that you're after. So say you want it lighter, you leave it on less time, but what ends up happening is you're just diluting the product and basically minimizing the staying power rather than really lightening the color. So basically your results are still really unpredictable. So the beauty in personalizing these is that you can choose the intensity level of each color. So not only do they have this huge range of colors to choose from, you can even further to intensify or make them a little bit lighter. I've chosen all of them in the medium so that you guys can see how strong a medium is. So then you can imagine the more intense color and of course the lighter version of that same shade. You also get a pack of gloves, and they're actually nice quality salon gloves. They're not like one of those like super thin gloves that's just going to like rip in the first second of putting them on. These are actually nice quality gloves. So I've got my blonde friend here today. I thought the fun fantasy colors were kind of diminishing, and I feel like they are back. So whether you're looking to intensify your current color, current balayage, and just give it a fun kind of a revamp, or you want the beautiful Gen Z fun streak in the front with fun, vibrant colors. So just a quick tip, in order for these pigments to really show on your hair, you wanna have hair that is above a level 8 so that you can really see the colors. So imagine like a canvas. If you have a white canvas, you're gonna be able to see every color you paint on. If you start with a brown canvas, it's going to be a lot harder to see intense colors. So the brighter you get your canvas, the more bright and intense those beautiful pigments are going to be. All right, so the colors I'm going to be using are, first I'm going to start with the vibrant Roman Copper, then I'm going to go in with the vibrant Granada Red, Tulum Pink, then Kyoto Purple, and then finishing off with vibrant Arctic Gray. Now, I also had big plans to show you the neutralizer in blue pigment. What this is perfect for is for brunettes that have a ton of warmth, coppery, reddish tones in their hair that they want to get rid of. This has intense blue, cool tones, different than those that you would have in a purple shampoo for blondes, but it's essentially that, but for brunettes. Probably as a hairdresser, this is one of the most underutilized products for at-home use to take care of this pesky, annoying hair situation, and I feel like clients just don't know enough about it. And I had plans to show you that on a separate mannequin head that had super orangey kind of warm toned hair. And in the midst of trying to pack and trying to minimize what we have, I threw it away because it was a shorter length, and I thought, what else could I be using this doll head for? And so I don't have that for you. Using this on blonde hair, you would just kind of see bluish greenish pigments. That's not what this is intended for. So I'll leave a photo here of the beautiful results that this will give you. So if you're one of these starting brunette shades, the neutralizer in blue pigment is your best friend. All right, I'm going to put my gloves on and we're gonna get started. So I'm thinking red and copper kind of towards the front here, and then the pinks and purples on this side, and then doing the cooler colors in the back. I'm probably going to use the brush for like kind of root application. That's mainly because I'm doing different colors. If you're doing one overall application of the same color all over, I would probably just go in with my gloved fingers into the tub and apply the color like the same way you would a conditioner or a hydrating mask.
Facts going hard in the pit, yeah. I still ball in the pitch, yeah. Something wrong with the picture. Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why you need to lie? Something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why? How do you get by? You've been away way longer than I'm used to.
Perfect. So now I know that we have enough product on there. So I'm just going to massage that in nicely and ensure that those roots and midsection all the way through the ends has proper saturation, and you're gonna get even beautiful results. I'm going to start applying the red in the front, and now that I have this base, I can kind of lean stuff on this side, just kind of making my little work area a little bit easier. So now I'm going in with the Granada Red. We're just going to start applying that.
You started hanging with a new crew, talking to my friends like that's something that I'm used to. I never cash L's, I just wanted him to lose you. Now it's like damn, puffing on the bush at Uncle Sam's. Who'd have thought that he would understand? And I just never fall out, I just wanna win. I'm in it for the long run, I do this on my fam. Yeah, I'm down for the long run now.
Now moving over to this side and doing the purple and the pink.
Red Corvette and my drop top down, calling up my digits in my Motorola, and I'm speeding like I robbed someone, falling and I'm a whip.
And a good trick, you might seem like that area is so well saturated, and if you cross check in the middle, the hair is completely dry. So that's why it is important to go in small sections to really ensure proper saturation and even coverage. Especially at the roots, you want the roots to be so well covered. You don't want to see any light kind of untouched areas. Even if towards the ends you have an area that's maybe less touched up, it's a lot more forgiving towards the ends than it is at the roots. So you really, really want to perfectly saturate those roots. All right, now I'm going to be going in with the purple. The good thing too about working with like a pigmented mask versus like an actual color is you can see the color that you're doing right away. And it's also a really great guide color. So meaning you can see right away if you've missed a spot, as opposed to with traditional like permanent color. Sometimes it can be a little harder to see. Now moving on to the last section, which is the gray. I'm gonna move this out of the way because gray is darker than all of these colors, so it's okay if we get a little bit of smearing from the others.
I still ball in the pitch, yeah. Something wrong with the picture. Something's wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why you need to lie? Yeah, something is wrong with the way, and I don't know why. Why? How do you get by?
All right, so now I'm just gonna let this sit for 10 minutes. I obviously apply this on dry hair. You can also do this in the shower with wet hair. I would just suggest towel drying first so that you don't dilute the color too much, and then you can apply the color. Let it sit for 10 minutes, and then you're ready to go in with your Aura shampoo and conditioner as you normally would. So you're gonna end up with not only colored hair in your desired shade, but you're also going to end up with super hydrated hair. So I'm just gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes, and then shampoo and condition her out, and then I'll show you the final results.
Out in Fairfax, going hard in the pit, yeah. I still ball on the pitch, yeah. Something wrong with the picture.
All right, guys, here are the finished results. I still cannot believe, especially these two front colors, how intensely rich and vibrant they are. And the fact that this was achieved just with a conditioning pigmented mask is crazy. That's the kind of pigmentation that we get from this mask. So here we have the pink, the purple, the red, the copper, and then we have the gray. So because she was starting off with a very warm blonde, the gray I thought would kind of leave it more like greenish. I thought it would only be like enough to just slightly counteract the yellow, but it was not only able to do that, but intensely color it to this shade here. When I saw like this orange, red, and the purple together, I was like, what? I feel like that's a logo. And I think it's Southwest, but not intentional. Anyway, if I was looking to go like a fun, vibrant color, I would absolutely go with a color conditioner first. This is a great way to change up your hair without drying or compromising your hair, and definitely without compromising pigment or color. So yeah, if you'd like to try out your very own Aura Pigmented mask, you can use promo code Ellebangs20 for 20% off and also free shipping. The quality of this pigmented mask and the price point it already is, it's already an incredible deal. But of course, because I've been working with this company for so long, I absolutely wanted to get you guys an additional discount. And again, you can check out all their pigments and different shades. I will leave a link in the description box down below that you can check out as well. And if you're still here and if you haven't done so yet, please go ahead and click that red subscribe button. Helps me out so much, and I'll love you forever. So happy Pride Month and happy coloring. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.